How to sign out of iCloud on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes to the Apple account screen. An Apple account is the personal account you use to access Apple services like iCloud, the App Store and other Apple online stores, iMessage, and FaceTime, and to access your content across all your devices and the web. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap the red Sign Out button. For security, the iPhone then prompts the user to enter your Apple account password. This step is required to turn off the Find My iPhone feature before signing out. Now, type in your password to finally sign out. Following these steps, you can easily sign out of iCloud on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.